Hello guys, today I am going to explain a great horror, thriller, and suspense manga named Manny. At the start of the story, it is told that once a very dangerous fire broke out in a house. Screaming and crying sounds were coming from inside the house. After a while, firefighters arrive and rescue a little girl. That girl was crying continuously. When the police calm her down and question her, the girl fearfully says one name, Manny. Here the intro ends. After that, we see a man in heavy rain who rings the doorbell of a house. A lady comes out from inside the house whose name is Carmen. Then that man says, "My name is Manny and I have come here for the home assistant job advertisement." Manny says that if he has come early, he can come back later. Carmen says it is okay, our old assistant also used to come late. Carmen reads his resume and says, "You used to work for a family named Ashbroom Falls. You left your job there and came to a new country to work. Is there any special reason for this?" Manny says that a civil war is going on there, because of which his whole family died and he had to come here. He likes helping families. Then Carmen says, "I feel bad hearing about your family. I need you now. Some time ago, my mother came to live with us and she has a disease called Alzheimer's." Just then, Carmen's mother says, "Hey, where are the children?" Then Carmen says that the children are at school. Her mother says that today is Sunday and we were going to go to the park today. Then Carmen says today is Monday and we already went to the garden yesterday. Isabella says that the children will be in the garden and will be playing games. Then Carmen says there is no one in the garden. Carmen takes Manny aside and says, "My mother has a habit of forgetting and getting angry, and she gets sad when she finds out the truth." Carmen says, "I cannot handle her, that is why I have hired you." Then Manny says, "I have a lot of experience in this work, I can handle her easily, you don't need to worry. Your mother has Alzheimer's. In this disease, people even forget the way, so we should keep the main door of the house closed, otherwise it is possible that your mother might go out of the house at night and fall into the swimming pool." Carmen also likes this idea. Carmen says, "Come, before you go, let me show you the upper part of the house as well. This is my mother's room, and here she always passes her time looking at the family album and tries to forget some things." Just then, the doorbell rings, but Manny stops Carmen and says, "Look at this, I found a knife." Carmen gets scared seeing the knife and says, "Where did you find this?" Then Manny says, "From under your mother's pillow. In this disease, people can keep such things with them for safety, we will have to prepare a safe environment for your mother." Then Carmen says, "You have passed the interview and I am hiring you." Manny also becomes very happy with this. After that, the intro scene is shown again in which that girl says, "Manny has taken my father away, and every time before leaving the house, he takes someone or the other." After this, Carmen introduces him to the family and says that from today he will stay with us, and the family welcomes him. Here, chapter 1 ends. Chapter 2 starts and Carmen's husband Daniel shows Manny his room. He says, "If you need anything, tell me." Manny also likes the room. That room was on the top floor of the house. After that, we see that Manny has handled all the housework very well, sweeping, cooking, and washing clothes. After that, Carmen's daughter Violetta is shown, who was making a drawing. Just then, someone knocks on her room door. It was Manny. He had brought Violetta's washed clothes. Then Violetta says, "Thanks, but I can wash my clothes myself." After that, Violetta goes to put the clothes in the cupboard. Just then, her brother Luca suddenly comes out from the cupboard and scares Violetta. After that, Luca runs away from the room. Then we see that Manny writes Violetta's name on a doll. The scene cuts and Manny goes to Luca's room and talks to him. Then Luca tells him that Violetta thinks there is a ghost in the attic. Once she went to the attic and she really saw a ghost, because of which she got so scared that she started to stutter while speaking. After that, Manny says, "You have collected so many animal dolls, do you like animals?" Then Luca says, "I like animals but mom does not let me keep them in the house." Then Manny says, "I will change your mom's mind, but this should stay a secret between us." After that, Manny writes Luca's name on a doll. After some time, Manny goes to Isabella's room, gives her medicine, and asks what is in that box. Then Isabella tells him that it is a musical box. Isabella says that they were very poor in their childhood, so at the age of 13, she started working as an assistant at her landlord's house and had to live there. Therefore, she could not see her mother much. At that time, only this music box reminded her of her mother and kept her connected to her. Her mother worked in the fields and looked after sheep. She used to wake up early every morning and watch her from the window. Then Manny says, Carmen is lucky that she can live with you easily. Then Isabella says, yes, but Carmen does not really like living with me. After that, Manny plays the music box. Then Isabella suddenly says, where is Carmen? She must be with that man again. Oh God, give Carmen the harshest punishment for this work. After that, Manny pricks his finger with a pen and writes Isabella's name on a doll with that blood. After that, we see that Manny has made dolls of all 5 family members. There is a creepy smile on his face and he is constantly looking at those dolls. What do you think? Will Manny use black magic on them? Here the story becomes even more full of horror and suspense. Chapter 3 starts and we are shown Luca and his grandmother. A dog was constantly barking at them. Luca says, can I pet this dog? Grandma says, no, he looks very angry. Just then a girl comes and says, sorry, he ran away from home and started barking at you. He is not really like this, usually, he is happy to see people. Karma, stop scaring the neighbors. Then Manny looks at Karma and it seems like he is controlling the dog. The scene shifts to Violetta's school. Violetta sees some girls and goes to them. She says while stuttering, hi, my name is Violetta. Would you like to hang out with me? A girl named Jessica says, oh crazy girl, who are you talking to? Are you talking to yourself? Don't you have any friends? Has a cat caught your tongue? Why aren't you speaking? After that, we see Violetta's shadow, which was not normal at all. Violetta goes home and sleeps. Manny comes and says, dinner is ready. Violetta says, I am not hungry. Don't come into my room without knocking. Manny starts to leave, then his phone ringtone plays music. Violetta gets up and says, do you listen to songs by this band? Manny says, this is my favorite band. Violetta says, this is my favorite band too. They talk about music for a while. Then Violetta says, sorry, I don't behave well with you. In school, some girls trouble me because I stutter, and I often take out that anger on my family members. Violetta adds, Luca thinks I am a coward and that the ghost in the attic is just my imagination. But if I were really a coward, horror movies would not be my favorite. Manny says, only good people who help others see ghosts. People who are bad and trouble others are the real demons. Violetta says, I think even you are a demon. Manny says, no, I cannot be, because like you, I have also faced many problems. Violetta mentions she has a speech at school tomorrow. Manny says, don't worry. However you are perfect. The scene cuts and Violetta starts her speech at school. She says, my preparation is on the behavior of ants. Did you know there are more than 12,000 species of ants worldwide? While speaking, Violetta becomes very nervous and stutters more. Jessica mocks her and records a video. Because of her nervousness, Violetta cannot speak properly. Everyone in the class starts laughing at her. Violetta gets so upset that she leaves the class and runs away. She goes home crying and tells Manny, everyone mocked me today. Jessica spread my video everywhere. I cannot go to school now. Manny says, don't worry, everything will be fine. Karma always finds a way. Next, Jessica is shown with her boyfriend. She gets a call from an unknown number. It is Manny. Jessica asks, who are you? Manny says, you are in danger. Suddenly, Karma appears and barks loudly at her. Jessica gets scared and Karma attacks her. Here, chapter 3 ends.